Transportation from Britain to Van Diemen's Land began in 1803. Here we can see the change in frequency of transportation over time to demonstrate that the punishment of transportation did not take place in a bubble. It was affected by political and economic pressures. Each ship here represents an actual convict transportation vessel. You can see in the first few decades the frequency of convict transportation is relatively low, but the pace picks up over time. While some convict ships had both male and female convicts on board, for example from Ireland, it was general practice to have male convict ships and female convict ships. Here in the 1830s, the frequency of convict transportation picks up. The peak period of transportation to Van Diemen's Land was the 1830s. The first male-only juvenile convict ship did not set sail until 1838. Even after this point, there were many juveniles who were sent on board convict ships with adult convicts. The early 1840s sees a brief flurry of convict transportation ships thanks to the ending of convict transportation to New South Wales. Here you can see towards the late 1840s, the frequency of convict ships slows down. This was due both to pressures from convict transportation opponents and due to the difficulties faced by Van Diemen's Land in dealing with the vast number of convicts under the probation system during its economic crisis. In 1852, you will see a flurry of ships as Britain has become aware that convict transportation to Van Diemen's Land is coming to an end. Transportation ends to Van Diemen's Land in 1853.